ever upload an image into Canva, but the canvas size is different and needs to crop or zoom or stretch like crazy. Hey, this is Saif from DigiWhisper, and today I'll show you exactly how to upload and edit image in Canva while keeping the original size perfectly intact. No distortion, no weird cropping, no quality loss. If you want your designs to look clean, professional, and pixel perfect every single time, this video is a must watch. So now let's start learning Canva features. First, I will show you how to upload and edit an image in Canva with its original size. So here you can see there is an option upload. You can upload anything here. So click here in the upload button, and here you will find two options. You can upload any files and you can upload any folder. So let's say I want to upload a photo or an image. So click here. So let's say I want to upload this image. Select it and click the open button. The image is here, and there are two options. The first option is use in a new design, or the second option is edit image. So if you want to just edit your image without cropping anything, then you just need to click edit image. Otherwise, if you want to edit this image in a new dimension or new canvas, then you can click here in the use in a new design. So let's say I want to keep the original aspect ratio same and want to just edit image. So I'm clicking here in the edit image button, and it will open up your image and all of the things here you can do anything from. And here you will find another thing, that is create design. Once clicking create design, it will open up into a Canva canvas. So see, this image is with its original size and it's fit with the Canva canvas. So see, and now you can edit anything. Let's say click here, and here is all of the options you can edit from. I'll show you everything in details in the upcoming sections. And now you will see these upload options is available here, and click here. You can now upload anything, arrange them as a folder. Click here and you can create a folder. You can create multiple folders and arrange them into different folders of your uploaded files or folders. This way you can upload your image in Canva. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the DigiWhisper channel.